Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Near Protocol's chart and see what is going on in the short term. And I think probably soon we are going to get a move on the upside. But before we get into all that, and why do I think we're going to get a move up, let's talk about the concept of short squeeze. You see, whenever you are having a couple of lows quite close together, right around the lows, actually a lot of amateur short-term traders are going to open some long positions in hope that we get a move up. And this is the key point. Pay attention. Most of them do end up putting their stop all these lows right in here. So what's it that I'm trying to tell you? You see, unfortunately, the price doesn't necessarily cooperate with them in most times. So maybe we are going to see a decent move up at the beginning, but at one point we should probably expect a move down in order to take all the lows. And why is this thing so important in our analysis? Because in here, I think we may have something kind of similar. And let's just have a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lows are very close together. And well, I'm gonna say probably there are some decent liquidities under here, and we can expect at one point Near Protocol to go down and take them out. The question is, are we, for example, going to get our move down from the current point in order to take these lows and continue going lower, maybe even take the lowest low down here around $2.28, or maybe we are going to get a move up first, and then let's say, I don't know, in the next week or two, we're going to get from these areas a move down and take the loss. You see, I would like to be a bit optimistic and argue maybe we are going to have a move up, but it's not at the moment confirmed yet. Two things need to happen. Number one, we have to see a move on the upside in a very short term in order to especially take this important high right in here around $2.50. And number two, after having this phase up, we need to see a very slow and choppy correction structure. Now, why is that important? Because in case that you are a fan of classic patterns, then okay, I think this can be a beautiful head and shoulder structure. This can be our left shoulder followed by our head, and this is our right shoulder. However, this thing is not confirmed yet. You need to be a bit patient and careful and watch the current price action very closely and see a break of this very important neckline, and then we get a slow and choppy pullback to these areas, and then we get a continuation of the move up in order to take this high. So if we see something like this in the short term in Near Protocol, then okay, we can count number one on a continuation of this phase on the upside, and then when we reach to our targets, maybe somewhere around these areas, around $2.6, $2.7, probably we should count on a move down, depending on what kind of structures are we going to see in here in order to take all the lows and gather all the great liquidity that we are having around here. So for now, in the short term, all eyes on the neckline and see what is going to happen. And this is the key point. If you do not want to consider having a move up in here in the short term, that's absolutely fair. Just pay attention to what is going on in terms of indicators in MACD. So this is, as you can see, a low. The other one is a lower low on the live chart. But in MACD, what do we have? This is a low. The other one is a higher low. So this is a great looking bullish divergence. And here is the line for it. You see, a bullish divergence by itself is a fantastic sign suggesting bears are running out of steam. However, the moment that you see a move down in order to get a break of the divergence line right in here, at that point, you should actually count on some more strong downward price action in order to probably even take the loss. So if you want to be bearish in Near Protocol, okay, that's fair enough. Just have your eyes on this important line and see what is going to happen to it. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in here. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.